to all male taxpayers from Internal Revenue Service. Subject: increased tax payments. It has been brought to our attention that the only thing the Internal Revenue has not taxed is your pecker. This is due to the fact that 40% of the time it is hanging around, unemployed, 30% of the time it is pissed off, 20% of the time it is hard up, and 10% of the time it is employed but operating in the hole. Furthermore, it has 2 dependents and they are both nuts. Accordingly, after February the 1st, 2019, your pecker will be taxed, based on its size, using the pecker checker scales below. Determine your category and insert the additional tax under Other Taxes on page 2, part 5, line 60 of your standard tax form. Pecker checker scale. A. 10 to 12 inches. Luxury tax $50. B. 8 to 10 inches. Poll tax $18. C. 6 to 8 inches. Privilege tax $15. D. 4 to 6 inches. Nuisance tax $5. Note: anyone under 4 inches is eligible for a refund. Do not apply for an extension. Males with peckers in excess of 12 inches should file under capital gain and come into our office for special attention. Sincerely, P. Nils, IRS Director.